Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for November 25th, 2024, Part 1. This week's theme is Thanksgiving. The Perfect Thanksgiving by Eileen Spinelli, illustrated by Joanne Adinolfi. Abigail Archer's family is perfect in every way. Never is this more obvious than on Thanksgiving Day. Turn the page and take a look. Their turkey is plump and golden. Their napkins are made of lace. Their table is lit with candles. They all hold hands for grace. Our smoke alarm is wailing. Our turkey burnt his toast. Dad spills the gravy down his shirt. A less than perfect toast. Abigail Archer's father serves white meat all around. Everyone takes dainty bites and no one makes a sound. My grandpa chews the gizzards, my brother chomps the wings, my sister slurps, my uncle burps, and Aunt Clarissa sings. Abigail Archer's mother wears organdy and pearls. She decorates their homemade pies with fancy whipped cream swirls. My mother's dressed in blue jeans, her pies are from the store. Her jello mold a quivers to the floor. After dinner at Abigail's, after the dishes are done, some of the grown-ups take a walk, others play chess for fun. After dinner at our house, the dogs sneak off with scraps. Some of the grown-ups watch TV, others take long naps. Abigail's older cousins read books in velvet chairs. The younger ones bring favorite toys, and everybody shares. My cousins chase around the house. They grab each other's collars. They hop atop the furniture and everybody hollers. The overnight guests at Abigail's have rooms all to themselves, with chocolates on the pillows and shampoo on the shelves. Our guests bring their own sleeping bags and canvas camping cots. Some guests sleep in the kitchen beside the cooking pots. Abigail Archer's family will sleep straight through the night. They'll have the pleasantest of dreams by starry window light. My family fumbles in the dark, eats leftovers galore, takes bubble baths at 2 a.m., and many of them snore. My family and the Archers are different, this I know. We can't tell peas from green legumes or snails from escargot. But we are alike in one way, the nicest way by far, alike in just how loving our different families are. The end. We're going to make a foam handprint turkey. What you need is a pen or a pencil to trace your hand, scissors to cut out your hand, some glue. I am using tacky glue. I think when we do this with the kiddos, it'll be foam glue that I bought from Oriental Trading, but I don't have that yet. And your Craft to Go kit is a brown piece of foam, and this little kit here, which I'm going to cut open. Has instructions. And you'll use this picture as your guide to how to attach the foam pieces. Or you can use the paper that came with your Craft to Go kit. There's a full color picture of the turkey there. Your foam pieces include some feathers. It's orange, yellow, red, and green. We've got the turkey's little wing in dark brown, the turkey's pilgrim hat. And you'll have to punch these out. These are the turkey feet. The beak. And this is the buckle for the hat. Put those aside. This is the white band for the hat. And this is the gobbler. Then you should have 2 little tiny eyes. I have 3 in my kit for some reason. These came from Oriental Trading like that, but they're 2 tiny googly eyes, which fit where your thumb goes, so I have a 3rd one. And then there's a string that you can put on the back that you can hang it up with. I'm not gonna bother with that because it just seems like it doesn't stick very well. So I'm just gonna put that aside. Now the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna move everything off the brown foam. I'm gonna turn it onto the back where the printing is, just because I don't cut that straight, so I don't want a bunch of pen mark on the front. And we're gonna trace our hand very carefully. Now with your kiddos, they can stretch their fingers out further, but my hand's bigger, so I have to do it a little bit more narrowly. Now let's stop drawing, but I'm getting a nice indentation here. And I'm just going to take it around. And then I'm just going to cut out the handprint very carefully. Like I said, if you do it on the back, it doesn't have to be perfect. You can have some lines because no one will see them. Sorry. I tend to pull it close to my face and then it's off camera. This is a nice keepsake, so you always have your child's handprint at a certain age. You can just write on their back their name and the date and their age, and you'll have it for every Thanksgiving to come. So this is what mine looks like on the front. See, no nasty lines. You can see I didn't cut very well. I have some points, but that's okay. Now all we're going to do is glue on the parts. And we're going to glue on the feathers. Looks like they go in between the fingers. The red one. the little wing on. I'm gonna flip it over and put the feet on. I'm gonna do the hat next, and then I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna do the white. Band. Oops, getting a little messy. It's okay, tacky glue is supposed to dry clear. My little belt buckle. I'm gonna glue it onto the thumb. Give him some eyes. Gonna need a beak. And then his little gobbler's gonna hang off the edge. Like that. And that's all there is to it. There's your turkey, your foam turkey. I'm just gonna let this sit here and dry for a bit. And then it'll be ready to display.